Experiencing login issues with your AT&T account? As of March 2026, AT&T has significantly improved its login systems, but errors can still occur. Learn about the current state of AT&T logins, including the updated authentication framework and reduced login failure rates, thanks to AI-driven anomaly detection. We'll cover how common issues now often stem from user-side problems, such as outdated app versions or browser cache. Let's break down common AT&T login error messages like invalid username or password, session expired, or unable to verify account. These usually indicate credential mismatches, network problems, or backend issues. Understanding these messages is the first step in troubleshooting. The invalid username or password message appears when there's a mismatch between what you entered and your account details. This could be due to a simple typo in your username or password. Session expired means your login session has timed out, either from inactivity or as a security measure. The solution is usually to simply log in again. Unable to verify account suggests a problem with account verification, often related to network connectivity or AT&T's backend servers. Try again later or check your internet connection. These error messages help you identify whether the issue stems from your credentials, your network connection, or problems within AT&T's systems. Understanding what each message means allows you to troubleshoot more effectively. AT&T uses a multi-factor authentication system that requires 3 key elements to verify your identity. AT&T employs token-based authentication using JSON Web Tokens, or JT, to manage user sessions securely. A JT consists of 3 parts: the header with algorithm and type information, the payload containing user data, and the signature for security. JWT tokens can expire, requiring users to re-authenticate to maintain session security. The system differentiates between client errors like 4XX codes for user mistakes and server errors like 5XX codes for system issues. Before contacting support, try these quick fixes. First, verify your username and password are correct. Double-check for typos or case sensitivity. Second, clear your browser cache and cookies. This removes old stored data that might be causing conflicts with the login process. Third, update your MyAT&T app to the latest version. Outdated apps can have bugs that prevent successful logins. Fourth, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can interrupt the authentication process and cause login failures. These simple steps resolve many login issues. If basic troubleshooting like clearing cache or checking network connection doesn't resolve your AT&T login error, it's time to reset your password. Access the password reset option through the MyAT&T app or website. Once you initiate the reset, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This typically involves entering your username or account number and receiving a verification code via email or SMS. If you're still locked out after password reset, use AT&T's account recovery process. This may require answering security questions you set up when creating your account. In some cases, you may need to provide additional information to prove account ownership, such as your billing address, last payment amount, or other personal details associated with the account. AT&T is moving towards a future where traditional passwords are replaced by passwordless authentication methods. This shift includes biometric technologies like facial recognition and fingerprint integration, which are currently being piloted to significantly reduce login errors. The current login system relies on passwords, which can lead to errors from forgotten credentials or security issues. The future system will use biometric authentication, making logins more secure and user-friendly. Key benefits of this transition include reduced login errors through facial recognition and fingerprint scanning. AT&T plans to fully integrate WebAuthn protocols, also known as FIDO2, by 2027, which could potentially eliminate password-based errors entirely. The FIDO2 architecture provides a secure framework for passwordless authentication, involving components like external authenticators, client platforms, and relying parties. This standardized approach ensures reliable and error-free login experiences. Expert insights from cybersecurity analysts highlight AT&T's AI-driven error detection as a model for the industry. User satisfaction with AT&T login processes has increased significantly, thanks to faster resolution times averaging just 5 minutes through automated chatbots. For support, explore AT&T's official status page and support forums for the latest updates and real-time assistance. Additionally, use AT&T's real-time diagnostics tool for automated troubleshooting. These resources ensure you can stay informed and resolve any login issues efficiently, maintaining a smooth experience with AT&T services.